This is the blue nape that we have seen a couple of times mating. They're ready to breed. Actually, their age is about 3 to 4 years old. It is acquired from my friend with legal documents. The blue nape parrot. It's safe to say that it's endemic to the Philippines. If there's such thing as national parrot, this could be our national parrot. If we have that term, since it can be only found here in the Philippines. I think this is the female. You can see not much blue compared with the male. Look at the blue on the male, on the wings. And on the nape, it's more bluer. And also the beak is lighter red for female and dark red for male. There you go, the blue nape parrot of the Philippines, from the Philippines. This has been PJ from Michael Avery. Please like and share this video so we can all learn together. Till the next video, happy parroting everyone!